The local team we worked with between Ross and Julie and Nathan have just been fantastic, and I think what really brought it home was when we went to the very first seminar. We only had one child at that stage, and we were sitting down for an hour and a half. Julie actually took our almost 3-year-old and played with them for an hour and a half so we could actually sit and listen. And just seeing that extra sort of touch there had been brilliant.
We are both doctors, and we have 2 boys who are very active. And our house that we're in at the moment, that we're renting, is relatively cold in winter and damp, so it would be nice not to be in a home that has mould growing on the walls.
15 or 20 years ago, I'd been reading an article about this thing called a passive house, and it seemed like a fantastic idea. And then several years ago, when we moved back to the Waikato, one of my friends who's recently finished a build with eHaus was telling me about the passive house that they were building, and my ears sort of perked up, realising there was a company here which did this amazing build which I'd thought of in the past.
It took a little bit of convincing that the engineering was worth it, but actually seeing the show homes and seeing the houses under construction, you realise just how much extra goes into these homes. And certainly looking at the thermal patterning online, it's quite impressive how much the home does not lose heat. That really helps sway me.
The idea of a house that was, again, very warm, very efficient, very healthy, because Felicity has asthma, that ticks all those boxes and has a degree of sustainability, was hugely appealing, especially in the context of being able to be relatively self-sufficient with fruit and vegetables and so on. Have a house that was also along those same sort of environmental lines.
Well, eHaus have been great. This process has been very straightforward. There's been excellent communication. Things have happened quickly. Our neighbours say how impressed that they are with the team here. The guys are on site early in the morning, they stay all day, they work incredibly hard, so we've even got testimony from our neighbours who live out here at the moment.
For people who are looking to build, if they value a healthy and warm house that doesn't have the heating costs, then they should definitely consider passive house options. It comes down to just exceptional engineering. For the long term, I think it's fantastic.
This is the house that we're going to be in forever.